Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add debit or credit card on Amazon account. So first, you can just open your Amazon shopping apps. This one's right here. After it's open, you can click on this like people icon at the bottom, and then let's go back first. To add a debit or credit card, you need to go to the your account section in here and then click on see all of the settings. And if you scroll down, there will be this payment section, and to add the debit or credit card, click on your payments options in here and click on add a payment method, the yellow one here. So there will be this option, add a credit or debit card. So just tap on that, and in here you just need to fill in the form with your card information, or you can just directly scan your card in here using your camera. So if you want to fill in the form, you can just add the card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. And after that, you can add and continue, or you can also link your credit card from bank. You can choose the bank in here, then tap on link your card, and after that it will be done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.